We're going to look at this hive. It is from BeeCastle. This hive cost it $122.95. This is also a 2-layer hive. Looks like all of the sidebars are mostly rubber band together. This is for all the deeps, which a few of them is laying loose. Here's the mediums. A few of them was trying to come out of the rubber bands. A couple more of the deeps. The bottom bars for the frames. 20 top bars for the frames. A list of what all should be in here. A wax coated entrance reducer. 10 medium foundations. 10 deep foundations. A bag of screws to put the foundations together. A bag of screws to put the boxes together. I prefer to use screws when I put the boxes together. For the medium, here's the 2 end boards. And we'll open this up and see what's they got packaged up nicely here. All the stuff we don't need, I'm going to just sit to the side for now as I destroy the packaging. So this one has a screen bottom board. It also has a board that you can slide in to close it off, or you can put stuff in there for the beetles to trap them or to kill them. Here is the side or longer boards for the medium box. 2 of the boards for the deep. The other 2 pieces to the deep. Inner cover, which is also wax coated. The top cover. And queen excluder. So I will assemble this and we will look at it after it's assembled. This is the BeeCastle hive with the screen bottom board and wax coated after it's assembled. This kit was $122.95. It's reasonable price. I did forget to mention it as I was unboxing it. It is assembled with dovetail joints. The dovetail joints and the screws is the way I prefer them. So, till we get to the next hive, this will be it. We are now looking at another BeeCastle hive. This is the wax coated with windows. Kind of like the Vivor I already looked at. This one is by BeeCastle. This one is only $121.95. This is also a 2-layer hive. So it gives you what should be in it and instructions on how to put it together. Ten medium foundations. The sidebars for 10 mediums. I think they're supposed to be rubber banded up, but some of them slid out. A wax coated entrance reducer. This one also comes with a bag of screws to put the box together and a bag of nails to put the frames together. Here is 20 top bars, 20 medium bar, or 20 bottom bars, and 20 side bars for the deeps. 20 deep foundations, or 10 deep foundations, my bad. A bag of the hardware for the windows. The bottom board, which is a solid bottom board. Which this is got the flippable bottom board, so you can have 3/4 or the 3/8 entrance. Here is the end panels for the medium box. And here is one of the side panels for the medium, which already has the plastic installed. The little window, or the board covering the window. Here is one of the sides to a deep. Side to a deep with the plastic in it for the window. It is coated to protect it during shipping. We can peel that off after we assemble it. Here's the other side for the medium. Here is the ends for the deep. The inner cover, which is also wax coated. The top cover. And a queen excluder. So I will get this assembled and I will show you what it looks like after it's assembled. This is the Castle hive with windows after it's assembled. On both of the two Castle hives, I didn't forget to mention the foundations are wax dipped. This one has also got dovetail joints. This one also is the one with windows, so you can pull the window open and actually look at your frames or your foundation. And that is on your medium and your deep. I still got the plastic protective coating on there. After we put it in the yard, I will remove those. So this is a 2-layer BeeCastle hive with windows and wax coated. The next time we'll see it, hopefully we'll have bees out in the yard. So that'll be it for now. This hive is from Man Lake. It is just 1 layer. It is the 10 frame hive kit from Man Lake. It was $129.95. First thing we have is the sheet that says what all should be in there and the tools that you will need. And then it has how to assemble instructions. First thing we find in the box is the long sides of the deep box, which are finger joint. And these are already pre-drilled also. Here's the two end pieces. Entrance reducer. A bag of nails, I believe. These will be the nails for the frames. Looks like they supply you with nails to put the box together, which I'll probably use screws. Here's the bottom board. It looks like you could flip it over, but this side is less than 3/8 of an inch, it looks like. This side is 3/4. Here are the 10 foundations. They are waxed. Not a real heavy coat, but they are waxed. 10 bottom bars and 10 top bars for the frames. The side pieces for the 10 frames. The inner cover, which this inner cover has the upper vent. And then the top cover, which this has, it looks like it's plastic coated that you peel off after you are ready to use it. And that looks like it's it that comes with this kit. So I will get this assembled and show you what it looks like after it's assembled. This is the 10 frame unassembled hive kit from Man Lake, now assembled. This is not wax coated, so we're going to get a couple coats of paint on it. Next time you see it, hopefully it will be in the bee yard with bees in it.